Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you just seen me, hi, my name is Sindy Akpolo. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the feminine makeup. A lot of times we've been talking about feminine makeup, and actually we've not expressed or shown how the feminine makeup looks like and what it is to you. So I've been in tune with femininity. I'm to embrace my feminine energy and loving everything feminine, and I see a lot of persons have been doing a lot of that or doing more of that and getting into femininity. And femininity or feminine energy is relative to everyone. Femininity can mean different things to different people, and in this video I'm just gonna be doing basically my makeup and what feminine makeup would look like for me. I would also love you to leave in the comment section down below to let me know what femininity means to you. How do you perceive feminine energy as a woman growing up, and what colors are feminine to you? For me, I love to play with a lot of colors, and I feel like a lot of persons think feminine color to them is pink. Really not the pink lady type. I'm just all in with the colors. I'm more gravitating towards the neutral colors. In one of my videos I talked about feminine energy and embracing femininity as a woman. I also talked about feminine makeup. It can be soft feminine makeup, it can be really vibrant feminine makeup, it can also be on the dark side of the femininity. It all depends on how you term or define feminine makeup to you. While filming this video, I'm also listening to some cool music, so I'm trying to get the energy or get back in tune with myself. So I just want to embrace all of the creativity that comes within whatever you do, whatever you feel like is going to bring out your creativity, or what you feel is creative to you. You just let it out. Bring the girly side of you, or bring the kid side of you, or bring the child side of you. I mean, we try to be adults sometimes because of the way the world is, and sometimes we forget to embrace the inner child or the inner kid in us. And femininity is all about experimenting with a lot of things, or experimenting with things that relate to you, or finding your style, picking the right fit for you, or picking the right style for you, just feeling girly. I mean, with femininity or embracing your feminine energy, it can be as simple as looking at yourself in the mirror, complimenting yourself, saying how beautiful you are, because sometimes we get so caught up with life and work, or being so busy or being too busy that we forget to appreciate ourselves, or forget to even acknowledge the little accomplishments we've had, or the breakthroughs we had, or what we've been praying for or hoping for the longest. And we should also know that it is important to remind ourselves of all of the good things you do in order to combat any feeling of negativity coming from within. I mean, nobody is perfect. It's perfectly okay for us to admit and constantly check up on ourselves, and do not put ourselves down. That will not boost our self-esteem or boost our confidence. So constantly reminding yourself of how good you are. Take off the negative energy. Do not let negative energy to come close. Taking things one step at a time and learning how to improve our skills or perfect our skills. Just anything that makes us feel good, just embrace it. It can be just as simple as writing, singing, anything that you feel is a hobby that you've been neglecting. With all that being said, also part of embracing or owning your feminine energy is also taking a step back to notice the things in your life that you've been ignoring and work on your purpose. Also, know your strength and your weaknesses. Embracing your weaknesses, or embracing your weakness, is not a sign of you being weak. It's you acknowledging a part of you, and that is not a bad thing to do. No one two persons are the same. And that is why God is unique, because we are all created differently. We all have different personalities or different things that makes us who we are. Also, another thing I would like to put out there is give yourself a break to do something fun, and also have an open mind, and also be honest about it. Remember, there is no right way to be female. There also isn't a universal way to be feminine other than be beautiful and honest with yourself. is all about you. Make it the you. Pay attention to your feelings. We always talk about love. Loving yourself is hard, but it's worth it. Know or do what makes you happy. As long as the happiness comes from within, there is no shame in going after what makes you feel fulfilled and beautiful. Be your own kind of beautiful. Pay attention to your feelings. It makes us stronger and happier. Feminine energy is not always about being happy. It's more about being open and honest with yourself. That's why self-love is important and is never selfish. In all that you do, always remember to be your own kind of beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section down below, and stay subscribed to my channel if you are not subscribed. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
What could go wrong? What fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.